Hi everyone, I'm very honored here today being NVIDIA GTC to present our latest performance and development results. So before I started, I will introduce myself and our company by three numbers. I have 20 years experience in robotics. So I got a gold medal of robotics Olympiad when I was in high school. And I work in deep learning and machine learning for more than 10 years. So our goal is to create AGI for robots. And I told my kids, so your dad is do cool things. So first, I will let you look at our revolution of our robotics system. And most of you has a field, so there are many things stop the autonomous driving to scale up. So one is they heavily use HD map. For example, so currently there are some autonomous driving solutions only operating in small areas. They expand very slowly. Heavily use HD map, that's the issue. The second issue is very expensive hardware. So you will spend like $100,000 on hardware set. That's also preventing you scaling up. But there's also something else you need to adjust. That is your system architecture. So you cannot use the traditional system architecture to solve that. On the top of the chat, this is a traditional robotic system. So it comes with many modules, at least 9 modules here. So each module is handcrafted by engineers. So for example, they have detection module. And the detection module between the tracking module, they have communication protocols. Why are the people doing this? Because back to 30 years ago, so there's no good way to solve that. You have to think about some smart idea to try to divide this problem to small one. But the thing is, this kind of methods need a lot of engineer, use a lot of human to thinking how it works. Each module only need a few data to train that. So in order to solve the architecture problem, so we have several steps. In the first, back to the 2017s, we use early fusion network. So this just remove the detection from different sensors. For example, you have 7 sensors, 9 sensors, cameras, lidars, radars. Just remove them, put them all together into a early fusion one. So you will see the network will become simpler. But the early fusion network can only do the 3D detection for the objects, 3D objects like people, pedestrian, maybe unknown obstacle on the road. So this is not enough. We further remove the mapping and localization parts. Is back to 2022. So we have a general perception net, which perception the 3D objects, and also for the road construction, the name, the road, for everything, combine them together. We start working on removing the HD map back to the 2020s. It is 4 years ago. Then we will have a very good result. And also we remove the prediction planning decision part by a lot of network. So and you can see right now that back to the 2022, there will be two main modules in your system. But still, we use some rule-based protocol between the perception and the decision planning. So why you need to talk to each other. For example, they will tell you how many objects, how many cars, and orientation of each one. But who tells you need to some information like this to do this? So we realize the next step should combine all together with the single one. So that is exactly the end-to-end system.